Hi friends, welcome to my best gaming keyboards review. Are you looking the best gaming keyboards? We analyzed consumer reviews to find top-rated gaming keyboards. We are going to review top 5 gaming keyboards on the market. Subscribe our channel and get more info and real-time deal on your favorite product. Let's start. Number 5. Roccat Vulcan 120 Aimo. Browse. Stately look can serve gamers, productivity users alike. High quality switch feel and sound. Dedicated media keys and volume dial. Pricky RGB lighting, plus zone-based lighting. Cons: no dedicated macro keys. No USB or audio pass-through. Bottom line, with custom Roccat key switches, elaborate RGB lighting, and a kitchen sink feature set, the Vulcan 120 Aimo mechanical gaming keyboard is well worth the price of admission. Number 4. Logitech Pro X. Browse allows for swapping out actual key switch mechanisms on a per key basis. Switch swapping isn't hard. Compact design. Feels good to type on and game on. Cons: expensive, especially if you buy multiple switch sets on day one. Onboard memory stores only one profile. Bottom line, how particular are you about your gaming keyboard's key switches? Logitech Pro X adds the nifty, if super niche, ability to change them out, one by one. It's extreme, but it's also one of the better sports keyboards around. Number 3. KINESIS Freestyle Edge RGB Split. Browse. True Cherry MX switches in a choice of 3 varieties. Comfortable ergonomic design, once you're accustomed to it. Superb, plush wrist rest. Pricky customizable RGB lighting. Cons: driverless smart setup is more work than we'd like. Optional lift kit costs extra. Steep learning curve. Bottom line, in the Freestyle Edge RGB, KINESIS brings best-in-class ergonomics to the gaming keyboard scene for players serious about minding their wrists and hands in the course of their gaming endurance. Number 2. HyperX Alloy Origins. Browse. Solidly made chassis. Well priced. Proprietary switches offer unique feel. Detachable USB-C cable. Cons: no creature comforts, such as dedicated macro keys or USB pass-through ports. Bottom line, if premium features aren't what you're after, HyperX's Alloy Origins may be the nicest no-nonsense mid-range mechanical keyboard around. 1. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. Browse. Dedicated media controls. Smooth, responsive keys. Attractive brushed aluminium finish. Easy to use customization utility. Cons: expensive. No audio jack. Bottom line, the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum is a pricey gaming keyboard with an ideal blend of aesthetics and functionality that leaves little room for improvement. Thanks everyone.